Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can add multiple files to the Straico RAG feature. If you don't know what I am talking about, this is like small continuation or update to this particular video that I have done. If you have not yet watched, you should watch this before watching this video. And you should also watch this video. These are some of the latest update from an all-in-one chat platform called Straico. In the previous video, I explained how we can create a RAG, and if you take a closer look, you can see the UI was like this, where we only had the option to upload one files. Now when I went through the documentation, there was like a change where we can actually upload up to 4 files. So I have made the changes in the backend, and now you are able to upload up to 4 files. So we are going to look at how we can do that in the custom app integration. Which I will have the link in the description if you have not already have it. So let's look at it. The make.com. When you just click on it, and let's search for RAG option, which is this one, and we have all these options here. I will show you how we can upload multiple files. For that, we need to add another module. We need a source in order to add this. It can be anything. It can be Dropbox, it can be Google Drive, or somewhere else. You can upload from anywhere you want. For this to work, we need to download a file module, and just need to change this clock and drag it to first module. Then we need just connect it. We can now clone it, because we are going to add multiple files. You can repeat these steps up to 4 times, and that's how you add multiple files. So for this example, I will just select a file. I will add this one. This is like a PDF document where it talks about Straico's AI agent. Then I will add another file. This is like a docx file, as you can see. These are the supported files, so that's why I am adding this document. This is a big document, like 9 MB of file size and around 700 words. And now let's give it a name which is required. YouTube test for RAG description for the RAG. This is the important section where we are actually mapping the files now. Just as you can see, I have also updated the help text here, where you can exactly say what you need to do here, what all files are supported as of now, and also a bit more detailed information on what you need to select based on the files that you upload. And you can also play with the chunk size and chunk overlap value. And if you move to semantic chunking option, then you will get another option here where we can also select the split method, and all the important details are mentioned here. If you just read it, you will know what we select, and you can also select that. For this, we will be using this one. And you also have the option to select upload up to 4 files. Now first we need to get the data from here. As you can see, sometimes you will not see this mapping option from the Dropbox. If you are facing that issue, all you need to do is first unlink it, and just click on OK. Just try to if that's not working, just click on save and just refresh it again. Now as you can see, we can see the mapped file. So that's like a bug, and that's how you get around with that. A YouTube test about creating RAG description for the YouTube tutorial. Now we have the option to select the that and the file. So you just need to click here and just click on the file name, and again do that for the other file. When you point it here, you can see which files you are selecting. You will see that blinking like beating option. From that you can understand which file you are selecting. So correctly map it with the data field and correctly map it with the file name just to make sure that two files are selected. Just like this, by blinking you will understand which file is selected, and you can also repeat this for the 3 or 4 files like I have shown you here. And once you are ready, just click on OK, just click on run. This is uploading all the files and creating our RAG base so that our language model is knowledgeable about the files that we upload. And as you can see here, the files we have uploaded, successfully uploaded 2 files, and we get the RAG ID, and you can follow along based on the other tutorial that I have already uploaded from here. So this is a small update that I wanted to give you, and I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos and tips. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.